I'm very happy to introduce Daniela Fenske and Mario Kohl from the Fraunhofer IFAM Institute in Bremen, Germany, talking about printing technology as green alternative for thick layer lithium-ion battery electrodes production. The floor is yours.
Yeah, thanks a lot for the kind introduction. As said, we would like to show a bit insights into our printing technology as green production route for electrode processing. Maybe at the beginning, a few words to ourselves. So my name is Daniela Fenske. I'm one of the guys from the Electrical Energy Storage Department at Fraunhofer IFAM in the northern of Germany, located in Bremen. And we're working on material developments and processing, electrode manufacturing, cell assembly and testing. So the whole value chain up to the cell level with regard to main focus lithium-ion technology, but also beyond solid-state technologies. And since a few years now, we have a cooperation in-house here with our printing department, and my colleague Mario Kohl will also present himself.
Yeah, my name is Mario Kohl. Thank you for the possibility to have the talk here. And as Daniela said, I'm more from the printing processing side, and we do care about processing of the of pastes, manufacturing of pastes, the printing processes from digital, analog, screen printing, pad printing, and so on. And since several years now, we have been working together with the Electrical Energy Storage Department and bringing our competencies together in this field of battery technologies.
So then starting with our topic, so greener technology, what does it mean? First of all, of course, sustainable production. And there are different ways, of course, to make electrode production greener. A few of these are mentioned here, where we also focus on and bring together all these concepts in the approach we will show you later on. One thing is that we would like to avoid or replace toxic and harmful materials. That is, that we're also looking mainly into the aqueous processing instead of NMP-based electrode slurry developments. We have a big focus on the drop-in technologies. So beyond lithium-ion, we also look for zinc-ion, sodium-ion. So working with less toxic material and less critical materials. And this is one main point for the printing technology, we look for less solvent demand in processes of the electrode coating process upon the cell manufacturing fabrication. So that means not totally dry, but semi-dry processing, and printing can be one solution for lowering the solvent demand and therefore also saving energy cost because we don't need to dry these electrodes that strongly. It's an approach where we can reduce the waste. Later on, we will show how this can be performed, reduce production and energy costs because we take a very high precision manufacturing technology. And of course, we're also looking beyond the liquid-based battery technologies. That is solid-state approach. There you need totally new production processes, therefore we also look for increasing the efficiency of the materials and usage, and we need fast production processes. So all these will be addressed with this approach, and also from ecological point of view, we would like to lower the carbon dioxide footprint upon production. If we now look a bit more into detail about the printed thick film approach, it's meant for high energy electrodes for the lithium-ion market. Then in general, the characteristics is given by the layer thickness, of course. So the electrode coating is given onto a metallic current collector, and the coating thickness itself is much higher than 100 micrometers, so far beyond that. This is shown schematically on the right-hand side, where the conventional design is given by 30 micrometer thickness, and we really have thick film coatings here with the printing and beyond 200 micrometers also possible.